Good afternoon, investors. Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the TMP Group. I'm Tom, and today is Wednesday. It's the 17th of November, 2021. And I want to just jump into Gores Guggenheim, GGPI, today in a follow-up to a video that I did yesterday regarding GGPI Polestar, the similarity between that and CCIV Lucid, and kind of see the similarity between the two stocks. I did that yesterday. If you missed it, go back and grab it. Today I want to talk and do a little bit deeper dive into GGPI, kind of see where it's at right now, where we think it's going, what positions we're taking with Gores Guggenheim, Polestar, both near term and long term. Before we jump into it, I would ask if you hit the like button if you like what you hear today. It helps get this video out to others, helps improve the YouTube algorithm. If you want to hear more content from the TMP Group, hit the subscribe and share it with friends and family. We are trying to grow our channel. We would love to bring more people onto the community. This is financial or not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a licensed broker. The TMP Group is not a licensed brokerage, or no members of the TMP Group are financial advisors. This is only my opinion or the collective opinion of the group. We do always recommend that you do your own due diligence, do your own homework, do your own research, and get convicted or a conviction on a stock, whether it's short or long. That way, when the position is not going in your direction, you know that time will be on your side, and eventually that you'll hit your goal, and you'll remember why you got into it, and not have paper hands and sell out of your position and take a loss. The only time we take losses is when we sell at a loss, but the only time we take profits or make money is when we take money. So I do want to jump right into it. Again, appreciate you stopping by here today. It's a second video of the day today. The one that we did earlier today was on SoFi, and the puts that we put in place on SoFi, the December 10th, 23 puts, and the December 23rd, 22 puts. They started printing today. Not sure how long we'll be in those. Our target price out on SoFi will be right around $20.50, depending on which way the market goes, but that is a very short-term play. So let's jump into GGPI. Which is the SPAC that is merging with Polestar, the electric vehicle company. Real quick, if you're not familiar with GGPI, GGPI is backed by billionaire Alec Gores and the Guggenheim Group. It's a successful company when it comes to SPACs and merging with companies. A couple of the companies that the Guggenheim Group has brought forward that we're familiar with is, of course, Luminar and Matterport. And next will be Gores Guggenheim will bring us Polestar in a reverse merger. And the reason I say reverse merger is because Polestar is up and operating, and we're going to talk about that a little bit, kind of how it's doing and where it started and how it got to where it's at and where it's going to go. We do believe that when the ticker symbol changes from GGPI, that it will change to PSNY for Polestar, and it will trade on the exchanges here in the United States. So it was founded, Polestar was founded in 1996, originally as a racing company. They came out with the first model, the PS1 in 2000, or the Polestar 1 in 2017, and then they brought forth the Polestar 2 in 2019. So we're in 2021. It's been a couple of years, and Polestar's been out there. Not a whole lot of notoriety or publicity on Polestar, but it is gaining traction. And for those of you that think that the EV cycle is up or that it is spent, we do also agree that the EVs have run hot and that they're due for a correction or a pullback, but it's far from over. The game is far from over. We are long-term holders, and the positions that we started yesterday and added on to today and where we go in the next couple of weeks will be long-term holds on this stock. So reiterate, in 17, the Polestar 1 came out. In 19, the Polestar 2. And coming in 2023 will be the Polestar 3, which is their SUV. And then they plan on bringing 2 more models forward, and those are in the works. Celebrity endorsements include Leonardo DiCaprio. He's a major investor, a major backer of Polestar. In 2020, Polestar was in 10 markets. So the year 2020, Polestar was in 10 markets. Fast forward to now, 2021, November the 17th, Polestar is now currently in 14 markets. And what has us excited is it plans to expand to 30 markets. So it's going to more than double its markets by the end of 2023. Some of those markets include Spain, Portugal, Ireland, and Israel. The plans for expansion also include 86 retail locations, which is up from 40. And they're projecting 290,000 deliveries overall by the end of 2025. So this is a company that has a lot of growth, has a lot of support, and a lot of backing. Completion of this merger is going to drop about $900 million to the bottom line, and that money will be used for expansion. And they do expect positive cash flow by the end of 2024. So it is a well-staked, well-backed company. And it has real cars that are rolling off their production line. Altogether right now, to date, 29,000. So they're looking to 10 times their production by the end of 2025. But they do have 29,000 deliveries so far with the Polestar 1 and the Polestar 2. Now, they are moments away from completion of the plant in Charleston, South Carolina, where they plan to build the Polestar 3. And the Polestar 3, again, is the SUV that they'll be coming out with. This will be an SUV that is made in the United States for the United States. And they're using the existing Volvo footprint. So the infrastructure already exists. Now, Polestar has definitely made a huge run up, and we expect volatility. We expect profit sharing. We do see this stock as a steal under $13.50, currently trading right around $15. We consider it a steal under $13.50. We do consider this a buy between $14 and $17. Again, this is just my opinion. This is the collective opinion of the TMP group, not licensed brokers, not financial advisors. But we do consider it a strong buy between $14 and $17. Our target for 12 to 18 months, and I put that extra 6 months on there just because of supply chain and what's currently going on in the automotive industry. Our target is $45. So trading at 15, relatively, up to 45 is a 3X. We believe that in 12 to 18 months, we can 3X on this position. Now, like I said before, it'll have volatility. It's going to have some ups, it's going to have downs. We saw that with Lucid. We saw Lucid hit 58, maybe even $60 on that particular day and drop all the way back down to $17. So could this happen with Gores Guggenheim, Polestar? Absolutely. Will it happen? It probably will. We'll probably see some sell-offs. We'll probably see some profit taking. But again, have conviction in your trades, have conviction in your stocks, have conviction in your investments. Invest in yourself, invest in your future. The best bet you can make is making a bet on yourself. So when it does drop down, just look at that as a buying opportunity to buy more. Keep some funds on the side, keep some dry powder on the side, because we do believe that Gores Guggenheim merger with Polestar in the next 12 to 18 months will bring us $45. Now, what are we doing? How are we doing it? I know throughout the group, many of us loaded up on positions. When I talk about full positions, I talk about 100 shares. There's multiple things you can do with 100 shares, covered calls, covered puts, but that's why we use 100 as a full position. Collectively as a group, we're encouraging all of our investors and all of our members is to grab 3 full positions. That's the goal. And for me personally, I will DCA. I started today DCAing, and it will be 100 shares a week for 3 weeks for a total investment of about $4,500 to $5,000. I previously had a small position, and I added onto that to get 100 full shares. So I have 1 full position. My goal is to have 3 full positions. And then to hold that position and those positions as the market allows for the next 12 to 24 months. And I say as the market allows, depending on where you're in, what price you're in, will depend on how long you hold on to this stock. But we do recommend this, again, as a long-term hold. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a big thumbs up and share and subscribe and share with your family and friends. And I hope everybody's having a great day. If you're looking for a great place to trade cryptocurrency, by the way, Crow Coin is off to a tear. Last week it was, or yesterday it traded around 37 to 39 cents. Today it's up to 52 cents. But Coinbase, the link is below. They're giving some free Bitcoin away. Webull and Robinhood links are also below if you're looking for somewhere you can buy fractional shares. Until next time, investors, we hope that you make your money work for you. Go to bed at night, it works. Wake up, it works. And when you come home, your money brings us home with you. Thanks and have a great day.